What's up, everybody? Matt Manduke here. It is Sunday, March 18th, and tomorrow, I have a realtor coming to the house where they're going to, assess the house and figure out how much they think it's worth. I'm going to leave up the pallet fence, but I'm going to try and clean up the outside a little bit so it looks a little better. Though my conundrum is not whether or not I'm going to sell the house. If I want to just sell the house, move into the van, maybe invest $1,000 into restoring the van up to a travelable space, and then possibly get out of here. For the past year, I know a lot of the people that watch this are probably my friends and family, but for the past year while I've been with this girl, you haven't seen too much of me in person. Hardly anyone has. I feel like I don't necessarily need anyone else. Not that I don't love my friends and family, but I don't necessarily need anyone else. I feel like I could go. If I'm not going to be with the girl, then I've already proved to myself that I don't need to be around anyone else, because I want to go out and travel the country. Anyway, Today's episode is actually going to be the majority of a time-lapse of me working to try to clean up the property a little bit, because it is nice and sunny and bright outside. It's not very warm, but it's nice and sunny and bright, so I think I should be able to go outside and do some work. So I'm just going to set this up as a time-lapse on the hood of the truck and let it go. And hopefully you guys will be entertained by it. Maybe not, I don't know, but I'll come back and talk to you before I'm completely done. Alright, I feel like other than feeding the fire, that's enough for now. I did clean up the property quite a bit. It looks a lot nicer. I'm out of breath. I'm out of shape. It is what it is. The next project is going to be to go through all that stuff and find out what is worth having and what's not. The stuff that's worth holding on to try to sell, I'm going to put into the shed. The stuff that's not worth holding on to, I'm going to throw out to the trash. The problem with the trash out here is they will only take 3 to 4 cans, and so it might take a couple weeks for them to take stuff. I end up taking it all and taking it to a commercial dumpster, because that's, it's more cost effective for me to take, less time. Tomorrow I'm going to take the scrap metal out, hopefully before the realtor gets here, and maybe I'll get enough money to get my brakes, which I desperately need. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this and you want to continue watching my life story, you can go ahead and check out this playlist here, or if you want YouTube to decide what you would actually like to watch, you can check that out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see everybody later.